Hey, John Henri,
Yeah, what?
why did the koala bear eat so much eucalyptus?
I don't know. Why?
He couldn't leave it alone.
Hey, Leo,
Yeah,
how did the koala bear get the high-paying job?
I don't know how.
By meeting all the qualifications.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. What is koala's favorite fruit?
I don't know. What?
Berries.
You know why the best supervisors are always koalas?
No, why?
Because they always care about quality.
Hey, John Henry,
What?
what was a koala bear's favorite singer?
I don't know. Who?
Barry Manilow.
What do you call a koala bear with no teeth? A gummy bear!
What would you call a dream where a koala bear is eating you?
I don't know. What?
A bite mare.
Why do you never see a koala wearing shoes?
Why?
Because they love going barefoot. Hey, welcome back to the lab. My name is John Henry and I love learning about science. I have a friend here today. His name is Leo.
Hey guys, I'm Leo. I'm one of the center directors of Kids After Hours. I'm so excited to be here.
I'm so glad you're here with us, Leo. Today, we have some cool experiments to do, but we were just drinking some water. Man, I love drinking water, don't you, Leo?
Yes, very healthy.
Water is super healthy, and besides just drinking it and cleaning with it, there's so many fun things you can do with water.
Swimming in water.
Yes, do you like swimming?
Of course I love swimming in the pool. I love the pool.
I love swimming in the pool. You know, there's so many fun ways to go swimming, but not everything likes the water. Did you know that?
No.
Some things that really don't like water, we call those things hydrophobic. You know what hydrophobic is?
Of course I know what hydrophobic is. What's hydrophobic?
Well, we know that phobia means fear. If somebody has a phobia, that means they're really afraid of that thing. So hydrophobia, hydro means water, phobia means fear. That means that that thing is afraid of the water. Now, for some people, they might be afraid to go in the water, but I'm talking about things that are really afraid of the water. Like so afraid that if they saw some water, they'd just get rid of it and throw it far away from them. Sorry about your water, Leo. I'll go get you another one. But first, I want to try an experiment with you. Are you ready to do a science experiment?
Of course, let's go.
Let's get started. You can follow along with this science experiment at KH or at home. You're going to need some cups, some cinnamon, and of course, some water. So what we're doing today is we're going to use the ground up cinnamon and some water to understand a little bit more about hydrophobia. All right, so here's what you're going to do, Leo. You're going to take 1 cup. What we're going to do is we're going to fill them with some water. So now we're going to take our cinnamon and we're going to shake some cinnamon on top of the water. Now make sure you cover up all the water. It gets a little bit dusty here. So don't breathe it in too much. What if I told you that I could stick my finger in this cup of water without getting wet?
I would, no way. Really?
Let's try it out. Okay, we're gonna take our finger and we're gonna dip it in the water. Here we go, ready? Whoa, look at that. And it came out,
Whoa.
completely dry. There's a little bit of cinnamon on there, but it's not wet at all. Do you remember the word we were talking about earlier?
Hydrophobic?
Yeah, hydrophobic. Hydrophobia is when something is afraid of water. Is the cinnamon really afraid of the water? Probably not, because it's cinnamon. I don't think it's afraid of anything. But it does repel water. That means it pushes it away and it doesn't let the water stick onto it. So Leo, do you know why cinnamon is hydrophobic?
No, I do not.
Where do you think cinnamon comes from?
Trees?
That's right, it comes from trees. Cinnamon is the bark of the cinnamon tree. And when people harvest the bark, they can grind it down into the powder that we use to season our food. Now, because it's made from tree bark, it's very good at repelling water. That means keeping water away. And because it's so fine, when you push your finger down into that cup of water with the cinnamon, it doesn't break the surface tension of the water. Because cinnamon is hydrophobic, it doesn't break the surface tension of the water, which means your finger doesn't get wet. How cool is that?
That's awesome.
What a cool experiment! What happened when you tried it? Did your finger come out dry after dipping it in the cinnamon water?
I got it. Since cinnamon's hydrophobic, you think it'd make a good rain jacket?
Whoa! It might work. It definitely would spice things up. All this talk about being hydrophobic and scared of water is kind of making me miss the water. You want to go hit the pool?
Of course.
All right, thanks so much for joining us today.
I'm Leo.
I'm John Henri, and we've had so much fun doing science. I hope you can join us again soon to try another experiment together. Let's go to the pool.
Let's go. I'm excited.
Can't forget these.
Hey, John Henry.
Hey, yeah, what?
Why did the koala bear get sick?
I don't know why.
Oh my God, I messed up.
Hey, Leo,
Yeah.
why do koala bears always go barefoot? Nope, that's not it. That's the punchline. Hey, Leo, why do you never see a koala bear wearing shoes?
Why?
You gotta drink the water after.
I was gonna say it. Okay. I
After
got
you
it.
say why.
I got it. Hey, John Henry.
Yeah, what's up?
What is koala's favorite food?
Took a sip too early. Okay, I'll try that again.
Okay. Hey, John Henry.
Yeah.
What would you call a dream where a koala bear is biting you? Oh my God, no. Wrong one.
Dang it, my pants are getting wet. That's not even the joke.